So Judith, can you tell us about Trading Standards Wales Week and what we can expect?
Of course, Gemma. Trading Standards Wales Week 2024 is the week commencing the 15th of April. We have different themes each day, but they all fit into the general theme of cost of living, which is obviously affecting all our consumers, but also our businesses at the moment. So on the Monday, the 15th, we have the title Recipe for Trouble, and this is going to cover food matters. So things like shrinkflation, are you getting less than what the weight marking on your product says, and also precautionary allergen labelling and general awareness of allergens. On Tuesday, we've got More Fuel You. So this is talking about the cost of fuel, which is obviously a big expense for all the consumers currently. So this might be your gas, electricity. It might also be your petrol, what you're filling up your vehicle with, and also bulk fuel if you're using bulk fuel to actually heat your home. On Wednesday, we are in shark waters, and we are talking about beating the loan sharks on Wednesday. And there will be an event, Bright Event, to give you more information about what a loan shark is, how to stop yourself being signed up to loan shark, and what you can do to support yourself if you do need to have any loans, where you can go for safe loans. On Thursday, the 18th of April, is too good to be true. So this is about advising consumers to take 5 minutes for their decision making when they are offered something, being aware of their consumer rights and their cancellation rights, so that if they are contracting for anything, they know what they're entitled to, and hopefully they can end up with a product that is what they've asked for a price they've asked for. And then on the Friday, we have our final day, which is Cheap and Nasty, where the focus is on safety. We all like a good bargain, and this is ensuring that a consumer can seek that good bargain, but they know they are also getting something what is safe. And hopefully across the week then, that is enough information for consumers and traders. They will learn a little bit more, and it will support them in their trading or their purchasing going forward.
So loads of information for consumers and businesses not to be missed. So if you want to get involved in Trading Standards Wales Week, we will be doing podcast episodes on all of those areas. And you can follow along on the Trading Standards Wales website, which is tradingstandards.gov.wales. And you can also follow on X or Twitter by following @WalesTS.